Hi everyone, this is Mercy Balolong singing Never Enough. Hope you will watch this video and listen from the beginning till the end. Thank you in advance. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off at me with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough. Of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough.